Hello guys, here is I have Moto G5G 2025 and this phone is problem is not charging, and I'm gonna show you how to fix the charging port. Just plug in on charge and it's 34% charge but it's not charging. Let me try other side of the charger. You see it's not charging, and now I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. First we have to remove this back cover and then we can fix it. Let me turn off the phone. It's turning off, and now we're gonna remove this SIM card tray. Then we're gonna remove this back cover, apply some heat on all side. This back cover is plastic, so you can remove easily. We already apply heat outside. Now we're gonna lift it up with this knife, and you can see it's easy to come out. And the camera side also has a glue under the camera side, so do not heat on top of the camera, just on the side you can heat. If you don't have this hard gun, you can use alcohol. Also you can use hair dryer to remove this back cover. We already remove it, and now we're gonna remove all the screw, and this all the screw are same, all are stereo screw, so we just unscrew it. Sometimes it's not coming out, it's stuck with the frame, so just unscrew it. Then we're gonna remove this back housing. It's come out easily. You see some of the screws come out, and whatever is stuck is not a problem. We're gonna screw it after finish the job. So now we're gonna remove this back housing with this knife. We just lifting up all side. Not that hard, just has some lock. We have to unlock it, and pushing up is come out easily. This side you have to carefully because there is a volume button and power flex, and we're gonna lift it up slowly because this side has a fingerprint flex. We don't want to lift it, just lift it up slowly. You can see this the fingerprint flex. So remove this fingerprint cable. We just now remove this battery connection. Just disconnect the battery connection, and now we're gonna remove this charging port. There is two kind charging port on the market. One is with the logic board, and with another one is only charging port. So logic port one is easy, you don't have to solder it, and only charging port you need to solder it. This charging port you can find on eBay, Amazon. So I already separate the charging port, and now we're gonna change a new one. And here is the new charging port, and I'm gonna install it. And there is one rubber, black rubber. We're gonna take it out from old charging port and put it back on new charging port. This save the dust and like water. And now you're gonna install the charging port. Easy to put it. Just keep it on center and then press it down. Put it back the connection, and there is two antenna connection we have to install back, and just make it center and then press it down, and that one also just press it down, and job is done here. Now you're gonna put it back this battery connection, and now you're gonna install the back housing. First we're gonna connect this fingerprint connection. Fingerprint connection is done, and now you're gonna put the back housing. First on right side, top of that volume button and fingerprint connection, that side you have to press it, then all side you have to keep pressing. You can see it's easy to lock. And before put the screw it, I'm gonna check, make sure phone is charging. It should be charged because I know it's only charging for plug on charge. Yes, you can see it's charging now. Let me see, show up the point. Yeah, it's 34%. And now you're gonna put it back all screw. After put it back all screw, we're gonna put it back this back cover. So with the logic board one is very easy. You don't need to solder or nothing. You can do very easily. You already done all screw. And now we're gonna put it back this back cover. You can see this back cover has a previous glue, is very good and is very sticky. Is original glue. We just have to melt it, so it's gonna be sticky good on the frame. Just melted all side. You can see like we have to do it all side. It already melted. Now we just press it down. All side you have to press it down hard. If it's not sticky glue, you need to put extra glue. That I know is very good with the previous glue, and original glue is very sticky and is attached very nicely with the frame. We already press it all side, and you can see it's nicely attached to the frame. There is no gap between frame and back cover. And now we're gonna put back charger again and turn on the phone. You see it's charging. Let me turn on the phone. It's turning on, and the show is now 35%. And we're gonna wait 2-3 minutes, see charge going up. It's 36% charge. So charge going up is fix the problem. You can see it's 36% charge. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.